day everyone's supposed to be at class. I'm really excited. Where's everyone? Excuse me.
What?
Where is everyone?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, thanks for coming to class today, Dave.
Oh, my name is Patrick, the creator.
I really thought it'd be better by now. Every week this semester, my attendance has gotten worse. It's not even kids just showing up late anymore. They've just stopped coming to class altogether. Considering the situation, I've decided to take a more drastic measure as a professor and beg. I truly believe that I am a good professor. I try really hard to make connections with my students. But I have no idea who that kid is.
1, 2, 3, I've officially lost count, interest, faith, never mind the boring exit. I'm too sick, I dysfunction in every context, mixed with emotions, and I guess I